Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Hania, e-commerce policy student at Rehan School on Academy Budget. So today I'm going to present my review on the TEDx talk A New Tomorrow by Ridesha. This talk delivers a meaningful message about hope, positive change and the responsibility we have to create a better future. Through her ideas, Ridesha encourages us to believe in ourselves, learn from our experiences and take steps toward building a brighter tomorrow. The central message of this talk is that the future is not created by waiting, it is created by our actions, choices, and mindset today. Radha explains that every person has the ability to bring change, whether in their own life or in society. A new tomorrow begins when we decide to overcome our fears, accept challenges, and work towards improvement. One of the most powerful points in the talk is the importance of hope. Life is not always easy, and everyone faces moments of struggles. Sometimes difficulties make us question our abilities and lose confidence. However, Ridhasha reminds us that challenges are not the end of the journey. Instead, they are opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger. Another important lesson from A New Tomorrow is that change starts from within ourselves. Many times people wait for others to solve problems, but real transformation begins when we take our responsibility for our own actions. Our thoughts, habits, and decisions shape our future. If we want a better world, we must first try to become better versions of ourselves. Ritisha also highlights the importance of dreams and vision. Dreams gives us a purpose and helps us move forward. However, dreams need dedication, courage, and consistent effort to become reality. A person who believes in their goals and work hard can overcome obstacles and create new opportunities. A very meaningful part of the talk is the way it discusses failure. Failure is often considered something negative, but Rita Shah presents it as a valuable learning experience. Every mistake teaches us important lessons and helps us improve. Success does not come from avoiding failure, it comes from having the courage to continue despite difficulties. The talk also focuses on the importance of kindness, unity, and supporting others. A better tomorrow is not only about personal success, it is also about creating a positive environment for everyone. When people work together with respect and understanding, they can solve problems and bring meaningful changes to society. In words today, where many people experience stress and fear about the future, the meaning of a new tomorrow is highly relevant, but Vidya Shah words encourage us to replace negatively with hope and fear with confidence. She reminds us that even small actions can create a big difference when they are done with determination. Personally, I found this talk inspiring because it encourages us to look at the future with optimism. It teaches us that tomorrow is not just a new day, it is a new chance to improve, grow, and achieve our goals. Instead of being controlled by our past mistakes or present challenges, we should focus on these possibilities that lie ahead. A New Tomorrow by Rita Shah is a powerful and motivational talk that highlights the importance of hope and courage and positive actions. It reminds us that the future depends on what we choose to do today. If we believe in ourselves and continue working towards our dreams, we can create tomorrow that is brighter and better. Thank you.